coming up on this video. Have you ever dreamed what it's like to fly? I think we all have. I have for a while now, and today I'm finally going to realize that dream. We're going skydiving today. We're here with a 27-year-old company called Skydive Santa Barbara, inside Central Coast, California in Lompoc City, here at the lovely Lompoc Airport on a beautiful, sunny Central Coast day. First they show you an instructional video as you sign a lot of paperwork. Then you head over to the second building to suit up with your harness and check out the gift shop. And we're gonna see what it's truly like to fly like a bird. They bring the stairs up to the plane, and you, the pilot, your instructor, and about 4 to 6 others get in. The plane is a fancy model with a great engine, and it climbed at a steep rate quick up to 13,000 feet. The highest is 18,000, but you'll need an oxygen mask if you want to jump from that high. But even looking way down, I was still ready to go.
And then, it's time to go, baby.
The main thing people want to know is what did it feel like? And I'll tell you, the best way I can describe it is if you've ever been on a big roller coaster, that big first drop, just imagine that lasting for 60 seconds straight, or even 90 seconds if you pay extra. It was great pretending to fly and enjoying the great view of the beach and even the SpaceX launch pad where Elon Musk launches his rockets from. I was having fun until the instructor finally pulled the main parachute, and then I got the biggest wedgie of my life. I was in pain for the rest of the way down, but I didn't want to panic or anything and make the instructor crash landing or something. But next time I might use some padding between my harness straps and my legs. If you want, the instructor can control the chute and do barrel rolls, or even let you control the chute for a while. The landing was fine and easy. The instructor flew in slow, and I just had to put my feet down and stop us both. I had fun, and I definitely want to go back. And you should check out the company too, Skydive Santa Barbara out of Lompoc, California. And if you've never been here, come check out the Central Coast, California too. But if you're too far away, you can always like, subscribe, and I'm going to be bringing you more travel videos from here on the Central Coast.